guys, welcome back to my channel viewers. Today I am gonna be teaching how to solve the Pyraminx using a beginner's method, which I self implemented for the first time without seeing any algorithms or so on. It's very easier to solve. So stay tuned how to solve this thing. It's nothing but a piece of cake. Okay, so beginning with this. So today I will be saying how to solve it by layer, okay, and I will be sharing my tips how I approached this one. So I'm showing here some algorithms, but I rather say not to memorize but implement these things. When you get muscle memory improved, you will be automatically be moving the pieces once you recognize the pattern. So it's nothing. Okay, let's get started with a scramble. Okay, I think this is perfectly scrambled. So the first step is to complete the tips. What do I mean? To complete the tips means you have to solve these tip pieces. Okay, like this. Just move this like this and match the colors of these small triangles like this. Yeah, like this. Okay, I think every tip has been solved. But the major thing is next is to do this center. Okay, now we have to pick one color, like something like yellow or something else. Okay, and then you need to solve these three pieces. Like you need to make the three pieces of same color. Okay, we are going step by step by each layer, so we need to make all the three things same. Okay, pick any color of your choice. For example, if I pick the yellow one, I have seen that these are the two pieces here and the third piece is present here. Now I need to put it here, but it's really difficult to move this one. So for this we have an approach to do this. Like you can move these two pieces which are already been solved below this. Okay, and move these pieces like this. Okay, now the three pieces have been solved. Rather, sometimes you may also get like simple things like these two are solved here similarly. Okay, sometimes in different scrambles you can get different solves. For example, yeah, this is a rather very simple. You just need to move and these three pieces are solved. Okay, so this is the tip. Most of you will be finding difficulty when it comes to something like this. Okay, you need to put this what you can say, like this piece to here in order to finish these three pieces. So in that case, if the two pieces are already solved, put it below this. Okay, or if any of the case like this, okay, you are having different pieces at, okay, different center pieces in a different way, so solve any two of them like this. Now if it is easier, you can solve directly. For example, if not, I have finished these two center pieces and I found that I need to put this one here. So for that, keep these two center pieces below this one and rotate these two. Okay, in this way you can solve this two. Once this is completed, we need to fill up the three edges here with correct appropriate edges here. So for that, we are performing some algorithms as I have said. So let's see it step by step. For example, here we need to put a piece of red and yellow. So I have seen this piece is at the top layer, so I mean this is the top layer. Okay, so I've seen this one as a top layer. So now what is the bottom color? Yellow. So you have to put the bottom color face towards you. Okay, if it is somewhat here, you need to put it here. I will say it's next step. So here we have seen the bottom color is yellow, so I will put it to my face now like this. Okay, it's away from me, so I will putting like this, so it's towards me. Now further I need to perform this algorithm. This means the bottom layer color. Okay, the algorithm says like this. It's not like you can see like this. First of all, you need to move this one, left one, then right, then left, then right. Okay, once you have to put this down once, then this one, then you have to push this one up left and this one up right. Okay, so in this way this edge has been oriented without disturbing any other thing. Now similarly, I have seen we need here a blue yellow piece, and I have seen the pieces here. Put the uh, bottom color towards you of that edge piece, like this, towards you, and perform this algorithm. Okay, the piece has been solved. Now move to another color. Yeah, if it is flipped, if this edge is flipped, first of all remove. You can use either of these two algorithms. Let us use this one. So it goes like this. So once you have removed it, you have found this case, that is this one. Okay, so perform this one, and the first layer has been completed successfully. Okay, I will also show a case with this one. So here, for example, let us assume this piece is not solved and I have found it on the top layer, or if you're not finding it in the top layer, it might be in the other two faces. So you need to remove it by using any one of the algorithm. Okay, now here, for this I need a green and yellow piece, so which is present here. Now put the yellow face towards you, and I have found that this yellow piece is at the right side. If it is at the right side, do this algorithm. If it is at the left side, which I have previously taught, do this one algorithm. So as it is in the right side, so first of all push this one down, then this one left one down, then pull this right one up and pull this left one up. Okay, then it gets solved. The easiest trick is that if the yellow face is facing this side, you need to push this down first, and then this one, then this and this. Okay, if it is yellow face is facing this side, then push right one first, like this, and then it's very simple. You can, I think there is no need to memorize the algorithm. It's very intuitive. Okay, the next thing is there are two algorithms to finish off the second layer, and that's the end of our algorithms. The thing is, if you are facing the same color thing like this here, if it is same color, then repeat this algorithm until the things are finished, the second layer is finished. Okay, so how it is done? First of all, you need to put this down. Okay, then move this horizontally with this finger, then pull the right one up, again move it horizontally, then move it down, move it up, move it up, do until it gets finished, and that's how you have completed the first Pyraminx. But there is one more algorithm, that is this one. Okay, I will show the case before you. Okay, now I have specified something like A, B, C. You have to see this carefully. Okay, this algorithm is done when you have flipped edges. For example, this edge is flipped and this edge is flipped, and remaining everything has been solved. For that, you assume that this is A, this is A, this is B, and this is C. Okay, now do the second algorithm, that is this one. Okay, do this one. Okay, like this. Once it has been done, then make AC as a base, this one as a base, that is this one. Like, put it like this. Okay, like this is A, this is B, this is C. So put now this one as a base, move it like this, and do this algorithm. It's rather simple. Just do the opposite of this one, I think first one. Yes, so do it like this. Do this second algorithm here, like this. Okay, when you have already done with it, then move on to AC as a base, so hold it like this. Okay, and perform this one. Okay, then your flipped pieces will be solved. So it's something like this. Do the second algorithm, then move on to this. Pull first left one up, then pull right one up, then pull left one down and right one down. Okay, so in this way it is completed. See, now there are a few cases where you will find difficulties to solve this one. So when you have learned these both algorithms, you can do any type of orientation when it is found at the top. So I will show some cases here. Okay, so here you can see one case here. Okay, so you should do this. You have to solve this one using these two algorithms only. First of all, recognize if there is there anything similar to this one, like these both are similar. No, there is nothing where the two pairs are similar. So move on to this one and see whether any two pieces are flipped, any two pairs are flipped. So here I can notice that these both, okay, the green ones, if you put it like this, they are flipped. Okay, you can find in different ways. Okay, for example like this, you can see that these both are flipped. Then do this algorithm. Sometimes it gets solved directly, else you will get a case like this one. You need to solve it repeatedly. I will show this one. So there is another case. Here you can see that none of the pairs are of same color here, so it is not this one. So we need to check whether is there any case like this. So from my observation, I can see these red pieces are flipped. Okay, so I need to perform this algorithm here on red, like this and like this. Then you have seen a case of third algorithm, then try to perform it until it gets finished. So yeah, that's all. So there is nothing more than that. So I hope you have liked this video. Share your first solve below, how much time you have taken, and if any suggestions or video quality, please do comment me. That's all for now. Thank you.